Hello friends, welcome back. Some of you have been asking me to do this video since a while, and as from the title, this video is going to be about me and my life, and I hope you get to know me a little more better with this. So let's get started. So my name is Nilina, and as most of you would be knowing, I am a mom of two kids. My son Aditya, he's 5 and we call him Adi, and my daughter is Anjali, she's 21 months now. So my husband, me, and both the kids, we are a family of 4 and we live currently in Pennsylvania. And then about my little family, my parents live in Kerala, and as a sibling I have an older sister. She is married and lives with her family in Ahmedabad. So that's about me and my family. Okay, so now a little flashback. I was born in Kerala and I spent my childhood in different parts of India because my father was working with a bank and he used to get these transfers very often. So I believe I have studied in about 8 different schools. We used to constantly move every 2 or 3 years. So that is how I spent my childhood, and it was hard sometimes to move away from places very often and part with friends and the overall surroundings. But I also feel that I got to know a lot more people. I came across a lot more different situations, and I'm glad that I'm still in touch with a lot of my childhood friends. That's all about my childhood. And coming to college, I did my graduation in food science and quality control from Kerala, and it is basically a branch of food technology where you learn about food and how we check the quality of food and such aspects about that. So that is my graduation, and then I did my post-graduation diploma. It's from Defense Food Research Laboratory in Mysore, and it was a 1-year course, and that is all about my education. And then I got my first job. It was a dream job for me, and I worked with ITC Foods Division in Bangalore. So I loved my work there. I met a lot of like-minded people and met a lot of friends there. It's the same time when I got married with my now husband, and he was working in Bangalore as well. We had an arranged marriage, but we got to spend a lot of time during the weekends since he was also living in the same city as I did. So that helped us know each other a little more better, and we got married in 2011. And then I was still working, and that is when we were blessed with our first son. And as most of the mothers would know, motherhood changes us a lot. We learn to love someone without expecting anything in return, and we learn to be a lot more patient. We learn new things every single day. So that was our life in Bangalore. And after a few years was when my husband got an opportunity for his job in the US, and that is when we decided that we will move from Bangalore to the US. And so that is when I resigned my job and we moved to Pennsylvania. And then coming here, life was very different. It was different in every single way from what we used to do. I started driving the car because that was very much needed after coming here, and to leave Adi in preschool. And to do anything, you needed to have a car. There is no public transport here. So things were different, but it was exciting to learn different things, and we started enjoying this life. And about a year and a half later, we were blessed with our second daughter, Anjali, and I got to experience motherhood again, and I got to do it all over again, right from sleepless nights and changing diapers and everything, which was I feel easier the second time around because you knew what was to be expected. But still, each child is different, and things are different with each kid. And then so we have been living here since the past 3 years, and in between that there was one more important thing that happened in my life, and that is when Anjali was a few months old, I entered this world of YouTube and started experimenting with making YouTube videos. Even that was very difficult in the beginning because there is no simple guide as where they mentioned to do this and then you get that. There's no a comprehensive way to learn it, but it was fun to learn it through different videos, to learn editing. Editing was something that I love to do, to experiment with different ways of editing. So initially it was very different. I used to post videos very not so consistently, just whenever I had time to do it, because Anjali was very small. So but still, in that busy schedule, I felt the need to do something, at least as a hobby. And so that was when YouTube came into my life, and later on you all came into my life one by one, and now this community is a part of my life too. So thank you so much to each and every one of you who has become a part of this community and who has become a part of my life as well. So I hope that you got to know me a little more better, and I'll definitely share my future life updates from here on. So that's it for today, an intro video from me. I'll see you all later in a different video. Till then, take care and bye.